Hi, Ashwini Parsekar here. First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Ramesh for giving me an opportunity to be on the West Zone jury panel for Smart Drivers Award. This was my first time to be on a jury panel, and it has been a valuable learning experience. Through SDA, I also got an opportunity to interact with drivers across all the ages and gender as well. I like this SDA's initiative wherein they recognize the female workforce and also encourage the female drivers in this industry to participate in this award. It's high time that there was an initiative to recognize the female workforce, appreciate their effort and appreciate their initiative as well. It was also good to see that the drivers who participated in this award were also mindful towards their safety and careful towards their craft. This reflected throughout the conversation that we had. This reflected throughout the interactions that I had with drivers who have been in the workforce for 15 years. They were knowledgeable, and it also showed that they were keen on keeping themselves presentable all the time and while on the job, and also being updated with the current times, being updated with the current technology that they are getting in the industry. It was very refreshing to see them being so thorough in their craft.
My thanks to CDRM and the rest of the team who have put together this wonderful initiative of recognizing drivers and rewarding them for great performance. It was with great pleasure that we were informed some weeks ago that our driver Shamsundar Yadav, who operates for us out of our activity in the northeast of India, had been selected as the best driver in his age group and has been now called down to Delhi to be felicitated for his achievement. As a company, we take road safety and driver welfare very seriously. These are initiatives that we have been actively following on and pursuing for several years, in fact 2 to 3 decades already. Road safety is a topic that's very, very close to our hearts at BD Dhala. We have a dedicated road safety team that monitors their performance, counsels drivers who may be underperforming or slacking off on their activities and their driving skills. We focus on training, and it's a great validation of our efforts and that of our entire team at BD Dhala that a driver of ours has been selected from among several in the competition and in the program leading up to this recognition. Thank you once again, and all the very best to you for all your future efforts and endeavors.